Carter here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, if you're new to this channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like our content. And we do a lot of tech related videos showing you on how to. Alright. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to test your internet speed to make sure that you're getting the correct speed from your ISP or internet service provider. Now guys, this is a great way for verifying the speed that you should be getting from your ISP. So if they told you that you should be getting a particular speed, this is the best way to actually test, and this will work for your phone as well as your browser. So the first thing I want you to do, guys, is if you're on a desktop, you're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna search for speedtest.net. And once you search for speedtest.net, you'll have two options. If you're on Android, you can go ahead and download the Speedtest app, which I have already downloaded. You can also go to the Google Play Store. And of course, you could just tap on the first option here, and it will bring up the speedtest.net website. But of course, because I am on a mobile phone, it's giving me the option that I should, for best results, use the Google Play app. Alright, so in that case, I can just go here. I can then just go ahead and search for speedtest.net. I can just go ahead and search for speedtest.net or the speedtest. It should be one of the top ones, and of course you'll see several here. If you're confused, just go ahead and type in speedtest.net, and of course it will go straight to the correct version here. As seen here, you can just go ahead and install. I've already installed mine, so I'm just going to minimize. Once you do that, you should see the option or the icon that says speed test, and you can just go ahead and launch. And of course, it should start searching for the nearest servers or the appropriate server, and you can just go ahead here and just hit go when ready. And here it's testing. And the first thing you test is your ping times. As you can see here, you can see my ping times. You'll see 16 milliseconds, which is very good. And that's how long it takes for the device to communicate with the servers. And this is my down speed. As you can see, I'm getting 25.4 megabits per second. And it's now testing my upload. And my upload is, as you can see there, it's still being tested. And as you can see there now, it's 1.78 megabits per second, and it gives you some other stats such as jitter and so on. All right, so as you can see here, my download speed is 25.4 megabits per second, which is not bad. And over here, my upload, which is quite low, which is 1.78 megabits per second. All right, so this is my connection, and of course I can check this at varying times throughout the day. And if my service provider is actually consistently providing internet, it should stay roughly around this area with just slight variations. If of course you're getting way below the speed that you should be getting or quoted on your internet speed, then you need to call your service provider and explain the issue that you're not getting the speed that was claimed. Alright, so as you can see here, I am of course quite happy right now as my speeds are as they should be. Alright guys, so it's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.